Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of WiSA Tech, ticker symbol WISA. And so here I am looking at the chart on the daily time frame on the evening of Thursday, April 4th, and the current price of WiSA is right around 2 cents at 2.35 cents, being down about 3.3% on the day, and this is literally a penny stock. Not one I would normally cover, but it was requested, so I thought I'd have some fun and go over it. But I do want to begin this by saying I think this is really risky, and this could very well be going to zero because it has been trending that way for a very long time. Possible it could get a pop, like we've seen here. Let's see from that, over here, going up to the top there, that's up, 100%. But, if we measure that going the other way, that is down, let's see, 86, 87%. So I think that this could very clearly, very easily go to zero. So very risky, here just having fun with this one. But one thing that I did notice when putting the chart together, looking at it for this video, is that, we do have lower lows forming in the price, as it has been dropping from, around 14 cents over here and then coming down to around 2 cents. So we do have this downtrend showing lower lows in the stock price. Slope did change a little bit here, but still showing lower lows. Whereas if we look at the RSI, we have higher lows being formed, and that does mean that this is bullish divergence. So this could be going up because of that. But, with the stock price moving down, big moves in the volume, it does make me think that, it's more likely to go to zero than it is to, go up by 100%. But also, on the note of these big moves over here, I do want to point out that the market cap is very small, only $5.9 million. So this is a very, very small company. And I don't have any of it, don't plan to get any of it because it just seems like, gambling, throwing money away. But, maybe this is something that you're interested in. But another thing I did want to go over before I zoom in on the recent candles is I did want to point out this reverse split, which was a 1 for 100 reverse split that happened over a year ago on January 27th of 2023. And so at that time, price was, right around, the close of that day was $9.02. And now we're seeing at a little over 2 pennies. So very risky there. But like I said, I did find this really interesting, this bullish divergence. But, I, again, just think it's pretty risky. But looking at the current price action, what we can see is following this, test of this uptrend, which is really just based on, these, let's see, these two pivot points here, right here and right here. And so following the last time that it was at that line, price has gone up. Let's see. About 10%, 12%. The high on the day, though, it was up 31% just about. So pretty big move there, and it could be, this red move could be continuing. I suspect it will to the downside, getting a retest of 2 cents, if not lower. And, I do think that this is probably, one of these big moves to the upside, but then followed by a pullback, as here we did have a bearish engulfing candle, another bearish engulfing candle here, both of these actually engulfing the 2 prior trading days. So looking pretty bearish there. We did not get that today on the 4th, but I do suspect price will be going lower. The open on the 3rd was at a price of 2.04 cents, and that was the all-time low. So, we're right around there. So yeah, anyways, I do think that this is risky, but I do think that it is also interesting that we see this bullish divergence. But yeah, I think that there are plenty of other plays. Blink is one that I've been covering the past couple weeks, Blink charging. And I've been pretty good at making the calls with that one, so I find that to be really intriguing. And also, does look like the semiconductors are starting to turn around. So, I do find that to also be a more compelling trade. I have also gone over Velo 3D, ticker symbol VLD, and I've made some really nice calls with that, going from 32 cents up to 60 cents. So I do find that one to be more compelling as well than WiSA technology. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And request a ticker if you want me to make a video on it. Thanks a lot. Take care.